Sa likod. Kailangan lahat ng kilikili ma-freshen up for today's celebration. Once again, laba to the right, laba to the left, sampay to the right, and sampay to the left. And put your hands together. Come on! Okay, this time, are you all ready? And ako ang hina, are you all ready? Okay, this time, since we are all ready to lead us in this dance challenge, of course, may kasama po tayo. Of course, this time with a special participation of our nagkikisigang, nagwagwapuhang mga boys of El Hardy. So, masigabong palagpakan naman for the boys of El Hardin. Ang ating nagwagwapuhang, nagkikisigang mga boys ng El Hardin. Ayan. Okay, meron dyan, meron din dito. Okay. Pwede dyan. Alright, this time, dyan na lang kayo. Okay, get na natin ang ating birthday celebrant together, of course, with Ma'am Aurora. Okay? Ayan, Cyrus, dito na kayo, bilis. Diyan kayo, ayan. Okay, since we are all ready, let us bring some fun and energy today as we all do the Laba Sampay Dance Challenge in 3, 2, 1. Laba to the right! One more time! One more! Isa pa! Put your hands together, come on! Come on, higher, higher! Come on, taas pa! Wala pong manunulak, ha? Wala pong manunulak, okay? Ako, medyo mababa po yung energy natin. Tasan pa po natin, come on! Laba to the right! One more! One more! Energy! Put your hands together! Come on! One more time! Naku, galaw-galaw! Now for the last time, ito, doon na po natin ang paglalaba. Come on! Laba to the right. One more time! Hey! Hey! For the last time!